Hi guys, today I'm unboxing this fabulous MasterChef range of pots. This particular one is a 24 centimeter Stockpot with lid, 7.7 liters. This gut Stockpot here, for those who don't know, is a pot which soup stock is prepared. It is very good for boiling water for paste, cooking a soup, or even making hearty stew. I'm in love with this brand because I know it's a good one. It is designed to heat quickly and simmer for a long time evenly. So all you have to do in order to get your hands of this awesome goodie is go to your nearest Spar, Quick Spar, or even Tops and collect a sticker for every 100 rand you spend. You will get a total of 15 stickers to fill your collector's card, and that will enable you to buy one MasterChef product at a discount of 70%. Guys, stickers can be collected between now